Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Start by gathering ingredients and basic tools. A 2-quart saucepan, a whisk, a wooden spoon, and a fine mesh strainer. Measure 3 cups chicken broth, 1 cup milk, and 2 tablespoons soy sauce. Use 3 ounces dried ramen noodles or 1 standard block. Prepare 1 tablespoon butter and 1 tablespoon flour to make a roux. Chop 1 small onion and 2 cloves garlic finely and slice 2 scallions for garnish. Have optional toppings ready: 1 egg, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, and 1 tablespoon toasted sesame seeds. Bring 3 cups chicken broth to a gentle simmer in the saucepan over medium heat. Cook noodles for 3 minutes until al dente, then drain and set aside briefly. In the same pan, melt 1 tablespoon butter and sauté chopped onion and garlic for 2 minutes. Stir in 1 tablespoon flour and cook 1 minute to form a roux. Whisk roux with 1/4 cup cold water before adding to hot broth to avoid lumps. Simmer gravy for 5 minutes until thickened to coat a spoon. Once the gravy is thick and glossy, taste and adjust seasoning immediately. Add up to 1 teaspoon salt and 1/2 teaspoon pepper, and balance with 1 tablespoon soy sauce if needed. Add cooked ramen back into the gravy and stir gently to coat each strand. For richness, stir in 1 tablespoon milk or 1 teaspoon butter. Add optional toppings: 1 soft-boiled egg, sliced scallions, and 1 teaspoon sesame oil. Serve in a warmed bowl and eat within 5 minutes for best texture and flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.